Доброе утро.
Доброе утро, Ирина.
Это самое. Марал, наверное, не слушала. Алсу, а ты слушала Каинова?
Bravo. Mango
ఒక్క
juice.
నిమిషం వెయిట్ చేయండి.
Mango juice.
Yeah. One jiva is the life-giving element of another jiva or elixir of another jiva. Water, I found first.
First you have to drink this, then you drink.
Water you have to drink, you have to clean it up.
But
Water going with that.
mango juice. One. Two. Hare Krishna one. Hare Krishna two. Hare Krishna three. Hare Krishna four. Hare Krishna five. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Today is the third day of Panchakarma. Oh my god. It's the last day of drinking ghee, which is amazing. Because today I was like, even my Prabhu was suffering a lot during drinking ghee. And I drank ghee today. Previously I told that you have to drink before sunrise. You can try that, but from early morning I didn't want to be feeling vomiting, so I was drinking a little later. Usually you have to drink before drinking any water or eating any food, so that's the main rule. Some of the rules my Prabhupada didn't follow. He drank water first and then drank ghee. No, the rule should be you have to drink first ghee. First thing in the morning, wash your teeth, brush, you have to eat ghee, drink ghee. So today kind of we didn't, I'm not feeling so much of purification process happening still. Probably because ghee is going inside your body and it's going deeper, and after some time it will start bringing everything to my intestines if I'm pitta, mostly pitta person. So, and if you're kapha, it will bring to your stomach area and it will keep there. So that's why if you're kapha person, then you will have to use vomiting method, because from the stomach it's easier to bring out all the ama toxins. But if you're a pitta person and kapha person, usually with vomiting you cannot take it out because all the toxins will go to your intestines. So today is the third day. I according to the book of Vasant Lad, Dr. Vasant Lad, you have to drink 50 grams of ghee daily. But today I felt like let me little bit increase. So I increased and made it like 70 grams and drank. But please follow the rules and drink only 50 grams. Why I did that? Because in 16 version of Panchakarma, 16-day version of Panchakarma, we used to increase ghee amount 25 grams every day. So in the final day it would be like 150 ml of ghee, I think. I have a video on that type of Panchakarma here in the YouTube channel. But in this we felt like it's too much. 16 days is too much, so we are doing 9 days. So drinking ghee, as usually, it was like I was doing it for 1 hour. I was feeling. So today is very cloudy day, so sun is going and coming out. So let me decrease the ISO. After some time, when sun goes inside the clouds again, I have to increase the ISO. Anyways, so this is a vlog type video. Hopefully you won't get disturbed, because it's a way of shooting the video. Other thing is, I will show you what I cooked today. I made curd, quinoa and lemon quinoa and plantain chips, and then carrot halwa. It's being cooked still with milk. And of course I offered fruits to the Lord, and that we will have for whole day. The thing is, it's already around 12:30. I'm not feeling hungry. Right nose is fully blocked, so I will be waiting till some time. Now again, sun went inside. Let me increase the ISO. What else I need to tell? So from tomorrow onwards, we will stop drinking ghee. Tomorrow is the 4th day. We will start first thing in the morning when we wake up, go to the bathroom and take sesame oil, and we will start applying to our body. That in the book, Dr. Vasant Lat says that you have to apply in such a way that you are bringing everything to your feet. So it means, I don't know if you go like this or you have to go like this and then go down. I don't know that, but we will try like this. Because if you are doing like this, it's not going to your feet, it's going, so we'll go like this. And there's 2 processes. One is Abhyanga oil, applying oil to your body, and other thing is steaming the bathroom. So make it very warm and get perspired. So perspiration and steaming is one of the karmas, two karmas. Drinking ghee is one karma, steaming, and Abhyanga is the 3rd one, like 3 of them total. Then if you go to the medical center, they will also do blood purification and kichri. Eating kichri, mono diet is another karma, 4 karmas. So when we are doing in the home, we cannot change our blood, and in the US it's banned. Usually in India, if you go and do proper Panchakarma, they will put some worms in your body which suck out the blood. So actually they sit in your blood and purify your blood, eating. Oh my God, I think I would be very scared to do that. But at home we will do, and when you go to the center, there will be special bathroom, and they will massage your body like anything, your face, your body. But at home you have to do everything yourself. And so today it's the last day when we are eating other foods. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll first thing in the morning apply oil in our bodies, and then take steam bath, and then start eating kichri. So kichri recipe I will share tomorrow, how I'm gonna do. And usually I don't eat rice, but during Panchakarma I go for it, because it's according to, because if I'm not eating fruits, I will be so much disturbed, nothing will satisfy. That's why if you eat carbs like rice usually, and other carbs, they usually satisfy your mind. So I'll go with rice kichri. What else I need to tell you is, other than that, physical activity, I am feeling little weak, like because I'm not feeling hungry and I don't have so much energy. So these 9 days I'm taking rest from physical activities, and that's it. So for all these 3 days, what we did is we drank ghee, 50 grams of ghee every morning before eating and drinking. And if you felt vomiting, you can drink, sip the warm water, or warm water, so that the ghee gets digested well. And we ate, when we get hungry, we ate the food according to our constitution. So these are the 3 days, and next 3 days we are gonna do oil massage and then eat only kichri. So if you are following me until now today, please let me know how is your ghee drinking and how is your 3rd day. Are you feeling some change in your body, in your mind and all things? Please let me know, it's very interesting to me. And today evening I'm not gonna record anything because I will be doing the same things like eating dinner and chanting, and tomorrow we will meet again. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. So it's 3:10. I didn't feel hungry until now. So this is orange juice, and this is lemon quinoa, curd quinoa, carrot halwa, and banana plantain chips, and one fruit. If I like the prasadam, then I will take second time as well.